Cook like Ukrainians. Смажена картопля. Watch this video up to the end and you will find out which potatoes are better to choose for frying. Remember Gulliver by Jonathan Swift and the struggle in the country of the Lilliputians over which side is right to crack eggs? It's about the same with potatoes. There are two groups, two ways to cut potatoes for frying. The first group is sure that the potatoes should be cut like this, and the second into smaller bars, so that they can be better fried. I belong to the second party. And you? Write in the comments. Use any vegetable oil. Ukrainians prefer unrefined sunflower. When the oil is hot, pour in the potatoes. Stir immediately. Then it all depends on what pan you're cooking in. My favorite thing is to cook fried potatoes in a cast iron skillet. But here, in our temporary home, which hosted Ukrainians during the war, there is no quality cast iron pan. So I cook in a non-stick pan. This means that the second time the potatoes need to be mixed when they are browned, not earlier than 10 minutes after the start of cooking. And then stir approximately every 5 minutes. Most often Ukrainians do not add anything to potatoes, but about a third like to add onions and/or garlic. I like the onion to be lightly fried, releasing its bitterness but remaining slightly crunchy. At the very end, add chopped 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. I bet it tastes better than French fries. What do you think? So, for frying, it is best to choose potatoes that do not boil soft. Not the one you use when making mashed potatoes. And you can add fried mushrooms if you like. Cook like Ukrainians. Subscribe and click the bell. More videos coming soon.